Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add border and change the color of it in Canva. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my canvas. So let me take one canvas here, blank canvas. Okay, so go to the social media. Okay, so here we have canvas. So I just add some elements like this. Okay, now if you want to add the border and change the color, you can come here and search for, okay, come to the element, search for that square and go to the graphics. Under the graphic you can take any transparent square here, so I choose this one. Okay, now you can increase the size of this square. Okay, let me take another one. So or you can go to the shapes. So this is the best method. Okay, come to the shapes, select your that rectangle shapes. If you have the blended corner, then go here and just minimize till 0. Now go to the color and click on no color. Now you can maximize the size from here also. Okay, now here go to the stroke width and increase it, and from here you can change that color. And once you're done, select that border again and lock it. Okay, so once you lock it, it won't move by mistakenly. Now you can work on your canvas like this. Okay, go to the positions, go to the layers and just drag this layer down. Okay, just keep this border just above the border or above this background page. Okay, now you can select that and lock it. Now you can work on your elements like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.